Some of the things you believe about forgiveness may actually be hurting you more than you know. You may think they're helping, but they are not. Let's see what these are. The first belief: forgiving means that it was okay. It doesn't. Suppose someone broke something precious of yours on purpose. Forgiving them isn't saying that was fine, no problem, because it wasn't fine. It cannot be defended or justified. Forgiveness just means that you stop holding the broken thing in your hands every single day, looking at it and getting angry again. You can put it down and stop hurting yourself, even though you know that they were wrong to break it. And how do you do this? Each time the anger and the hurt come back, the actual thing that you do is feel it in your body instead of replaying the story in your head. The story that they did this, they shouldn't have, how dare they. This is kept alive each time you replay it in your head. So when it floods in, go to the body, to that tight chest, that hot face, the knot in the stomach. Put your attention there and let it be there without doing anything about it. Don't push it away, and definitely don't feed it with the story in your head. Just breathe into the sensation until it goes away. And it does. You just need to breathe for a few minutes and hold space for that anger and the hurt. The second belief: if I forgive, I have to let them come back into my life. That's not true at all. You can forgive someone completely and still never want them near you again. Forgiveness happens inside of you. Letting them come back into your life is a very different decision, one that is made with your eyes open. The two are not even related. Third belief: they must apologize first. Now you've handed them the key to your healing. If your peace depends upon their apology, they are controlling your peace of mind. And some people will never apologize. They either can't or they won't. So waiting for that apology means that you stay locked up while they walk around free. Fourth belief: I've already forgiven them. Did you? Or did you just stop talking about it? There's a huge difference between forgiving and burying. Buried things don't stay buried. They come out in different ways. In that sharp comment you have just made, the cold shoulder, the icy reaction, the huge reaction over something small. So recognize that you've buried it and then start forgiving really. And 5, forgiving them means letting them off the hook. No, it does not. This is the one that changes everything when you finally get it. You are not forgiving to let them off. You are forgiving so you can stop bleeding. The anger and the hurt does not punish them. Half the time they don't even know that you're holding it, that you're hurting. You are the one bent over under its weight. Forgiving another is about letting yourself be free. It was never about them. It shall never be about them. It has always been about you.